Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by narrowing the messages you want to tame. Use the Gmail search dropdown to specify sender, subject, keywords, size, or date range. Once you see the correct preview, click Create Filter and test the query to confirm results. Then choose Actions, apply a label, skip the inbox, star, delete, forward, or mark as read, because filters act automatically and save time. Make sure to check Also apply to matching conversations if you want past messages included. This step gets the system working immediately. Next, organize with labels and nested labels. Create a new label from the left menu and nest it under a parent to form a hierarchy that mirrors your workflow. Once done, refine filters with combined criteria. Use has attachment, size thresholds such as 5 MB or exact phrase matching to capture precise messages. Make sure to chain actions. Apply label and archive to remove inbox clutter, or forward and mark as read for delegated work. If something overlaps, create exception rules using doesn't have. To finish, review all filters in settings right arrow filters and blocked addresses and edit or delete duplicates that conflict. Once done, confirm label visibility in the left panel and check AMAP settings if labels don't sync to clients. Test your setup by sending sample emails that match and don't match the rules to verify behavior. If things go wrong, clear the most recent filter and rerun the query to see which criterion is blocking messages. That quick isolation step usually reveals the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.